Hello kids, today we are drawing some 2D shapes. Okay, let's start. Star. We are drawing a star shape. It's a star. What is this? This is a star shape, kids. A star. Now we are drawing a square. It's a square shape, kids. What is this? This is a square. Now we are drawing circle. What we draw? It's a circle, kids. Circle. Now we are drawing heart. It's a heart shape, kids. It's called heart. Now we are drawing triangle. What we draw? Triangle. It's called triangle. Now we are drawing hexagon. What is this? This is a hexagon shapes, kids. It's a hexagon shapes. Hexagon. Look at this. Now we learned some colors, kids. Look at this. It's so nice and cute color. Black color, green color, red color, yellow color, blue color, grey color. Color shape, kids. It's a black color. Black color. It's a blue color. Green color, red color, kids. Red color, yellow color. Yellow color, blue color. Blue color, white color. White color. Now we learn 2D shapes. A star, a square, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.